Presenting the HP 115 Color Single Function Ink Tank Printer. The printer is ideal for regular or frequent home and small office usage, requiring more than 300 prints per month. The printer uses the ink tank technology, which is designed to give you high-quality prints at low costs. It can only perform print function and can print in both color and black and white. The printer comes with USB connectivity. With this printer, you get a printing speed of up to 19 black and white pages per minute or 15 color pages per minute. The printer supports multiple paper sizes to help with your various print requirements. The printer gives monochrome prints in just 10 paise per page and color prints in 18 paise per very cost-effective. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is HP GT51 Black and HP GT52 Cyan, Magenta, Yellow. The printer comes with an XL black bottle and a bottle each of the three colors, Cyan, Magenta and Yellow. This printer comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty. The box includes HP Ink Tank 115, HP GT51 XL Black Ink Bottle 135 ml, HP GT52 Ink Bottle 70 ml, one each of Cyan, Magenta, Yellow, 1.5 m USB cable, ink caution flyer, power cord, setup card, getting started guide. This printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers,